Prepare yourself for the social impact and philosophical wisdom of the intellectual pinnacle of our modern age. Arm yourself with pen and paper and note the marvelous concepts spoken of by one whose mind is ever wondering, whose understanding is ever widening. Prepare yourself for...
Hi! 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 Who in the world wants to go use one of these things? They smell worse than most people's bedrooms. I'm sorry, you ever go to a teenager's room? That's a pretty good demonstration of it. Let's not get technical. You got mountains of dirty clothes, and they're looking at their mom. I cleaned it yesterday. Yeah, that's what the company said when they try to deliver it to you. I cleaned it yesterday. It don't work, ladies and gentlemen. It smells worse than the dry.